ओके सो लास्ट क्लास जोटा देखुଥିଲି ସେଟା ପୁଣି ତ ଦେଖିବା automatic purchase order from the purchase requisition right so ତା ପାଇଁ ଆମେ pre requisition କ'ଣ କହିଥିଲେ we have to update the material master that means we have to select the automatic PO in the material master and then we have to update the vendor master then it is mandatory you have to create the purchase info record source list then ଆମେ ଗୋଟେ PR କରିବା ଦେଖିବା କି ଆମେ ଅଟୋମେଟିକ୍ PO ଟା କେମିତି କ୍ରିଏଟ୍ ହେଉଛି so we don't need to create the purchase order manually so this was the process so ସେଟା କେମିତି ହେଉଛି so ଆମେ material master କେମିତି update କରିଥିଲେ we have to go for the MM02 put here the material number either during creation of the material master otherwise if you have already created then you have to change the material so go for the material master and in the material master go for the purchasing data plant was GPI1 so then you have to select this checkbox it is like as auto PO so you have to select this checkbox it is select it is mandatory you have to select the checkbox so for the automatic PO this is mandatory and then similarly for the business partner what is the business partner number data business partner click enter right so go for the purchasing data the film BN01 so vendor master ro purchasing data ku jibo and here you have to go for the purchasing purchasing rahila so in the purchasing data you have to select this checkbox it is likha hai automatic purchase order it is mandatory you have to select this checkbox ठीक ଅଛି ଯଦି ଏମିତି display mode ରେ ଆସିଥିବ then you just have to make display change so then after you can change right so it is selected in my system so then after normally info record ଏମିତି ଆମେ ବନଉଥିଲେ ME 11 put here the supply number put here the plant and choose the like procurement type so already here exists so you have to create a info record so then after source list ME01 ME ମୁଁ 02 ରେ ଦେଖଉଛି କାରଣ ଅଲରେଡି ଆମେ ସୋର୍ସ ଲିଷ୍ଟଟା କ୍ରିଏଟ୍ କରିଦେଇଥିଲେ ମୁଁ ଖାଲି ଚେଞ୍ଜ କରିକି ଦେଖଉଛି କେମିତି କ'ଣ ଅଛି ME01 ରେ ଯାଇକି ତମେ କ୍ରିଏଟ୍ କରିବ material ଏଠି ଏମିତି source list ଅଛି validity date କୋଉ ଡେଟ୍ ରୁ କୋଉ ଯାକେ ଏଟା validity ରହିବ ତାପରେ supplier number purchase organization click enter then you have to make it as the fixed vendor right so fixed vendor କରିକି ଏଇଟା ହେଲା ଆମର source of supply ବୋଲି ଆମେ ଏଟା consider कराଇବା so then after what you have to do you have to go for the purchase requisition with ME51N so put here the material number quantity that is we are ordering for the 300 quantity deliver date is this was the deliver date plant was GPI1 and the storage location is 1000 click enter so here split valuation was active so put here the valuation type as DVI1 so click enter It is fine. Just click on check. Okay, I did a one mistake. So you need to select the source of determination, right? Source it is select kara mandatory. For the automatic PO, you have to select this checkbox. Okay, source of supply asterisk 9. Excellent. Okay, let me do the again. ME51N. Select source of supply. Put here the material number. Quantity 200 quantity. Put here the deliver date. Plant was GPI 1 and the storage location was 1000. Right, if we'll go for the source of supply is not coming over. Okay, material number is different. This was our material. Now the source of supply is coming. This is the source of supply and info record. Right, it is fine. Click on check. Click on save. So if there will be the release strategy, you have to activate the release strategy. You have to approve the document. Then only the automatic purchase order you can create. If you have not approved the purchase requisition, you cannot like generate the PO, right? So if there will be the approval process, then you have to activate that. Otherwise, you can directly go for the purchase order. This is the PR number. So now to create the automatic PO from the PR, you just have to go for the ME59N purchase organization. Fixed vendor was this one, plant was this one. Just click on execute. Molecular PO could not be created, requisition could not be converted. Why? Okay, ME 54 को जाओ. Maybe there may be the release strategy. I think. Okay, start to satisfy. Purchasing group was R1. Purchase order is this one. Plant was this one. ସେ ନର୍ମାଲ ପିଓ ହଉଛି ନା ଦେଖିବା ଏମି 21N so there is the tax code error. No, it is fine. So now let's do the automatic PO ME 59N. Click on execute. Now the purchase order created. So this is the purchase order which is created. ठीक ଅଛି सो ये हमको क्वांटिटी फंड किसी दबा पड़ो ना एम 59N रे आम ऑटोमेटिक पोस्ट माने पोस्ट करके ऑटोमेटिक पीओ जनरेट कर परिबा दिस इज द वन वे एंड देयर इज अनदर वे ये ऑलरेडी मैं लिखी बैक जॉब सेटअप ठीक है बैक जॉब सेटअप करके SM36 रे तुमको खाली पीआर जनरेट करिवो सिस्टम ऑटोमेटिकली पीओ जनरेट करिवो so for that what you have to do you have to go for the SM36 go for SM36 give the job name एठी हमें गोटे job setup करेबा so let us jump this is devi autopio ठीक है so then click on start condition so then you have to select on the ये जो condition टा केते बेले automatic PO generate हबो you have to select the time so let us jump we will start immediately so then choose the period value go for the other period. So I will take as let example after 1 minute of purchase requisition the PO will create automatically. So I move 1 minute nearly. So click on check, then click on save. Then click on check, click on save again, and click on check, and click on save. Right. So then after go for the step. So in step give the ABA program name. So ABA program name ta code पाइबो ME59N को ME59N T code को जिबो ME59N go for T-code, then go for the more, go for the system, then you have to go for the status. So here you will find the ABA program name. So copy this one, do it then. देखो तो our program name. Then after you have to give a variant. Variant ଟା କୋଉଠୁ ପାଇବ ସେଇ same ME 59 T କୋଡ୍ କୁ ଯିବ। ଉପରେ ME 59N. So just to remove everything. So let is I will activate as per the plan. So the plan must be here. Then click on save. Then give the variant name. So variant is Devi variant, let example, and give the description. Description is same. Then click on save. It is done. So now go for the background job. Put here the variant. So variant, if you will go for the drop down, you will find the variant name here. Yes, this is the variant. So click enter. Then click on check. Then click on save. Then go back once. So click on save. So it is done. So now what we will do, we will go for purchase requisition creation. MA 51N. Here the material. So let example we are creating for 400 quantity. Deliver date is this one. Plant was GPI 1 and the storage location was 1000. Click enter.
Sir,
Here-
source
हाँ
source determination.
कौन कहलो
Source determination.
सुबिलान कौन कहलो सोर्स ऑफ
Source
सप्लाई
determination से जो
ओके
नहीं नहीं
ओके
source determination से
हाँ सोर्स
नीचे
डिटरमिन है यस 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 दरकार ना click on source determination first, then go for the material. Quantity is let example 400 quantity. Deliver date is this one. Plant not the date. Put in the plant storage location. Right. Source of supply. The source of supply is coming. So just click on save. So purchase requisition created. So automatically हमें आउ किसी करने ପାଇଁ पड़ियोनी. So PO टा automatically create हबो. So PO create ହେଲା ବୋଲି ଆମେ କୋଉଠି ଦେଖିବା. So let us display the purchase requisition ME53N. So if you have the version activated and release strategy activated, then you have to release those things. Then automatically PO will create. So તમે release କରିନ ତାହେଲେ it will not created. Till time it is not created. Just wait for the 1 minute. ये प्राइस टा कोड आस्ता है N4 एकड़ ना हमरो कोड आस्ता है प्राइस टा सुल्तान कोड आस्ता है
फर्क है
N4 एकड़ रेडी प्राइस है मेटेरियल मास्टर आसियो N4 एकड़ प्राइस ओनली PO रे आसियो मेटल मास्टर जो प्राइस टा अपडेट ହେଇକି ଥିବ ସେଇ ପ୍ରାଇस ଟା ଏଠି ଆସିବ
Purchase requisition रे material master କୁ ଆସିବ।
କ୍ରିଏଟ୍ ହେଲାନି। Complicated. 7:30. এটা তো ক্রিয়েট ହେଲା ବଟ୍ ସେଠି କାହିଁ କ୍ରିଏଟ୍ ହେଲାନି? ଆମେ SM36 job name is this one. Click on start condition with the date 1 minute. अच्छा, это все я бы и натравил. Okay, let's do another PR ME 51N. PR created automatically for the 500 quantity. So PO is created. So this is the purchase order for the 500 quantity. बुझिपाल POଟା automatically create ହେଇଗଲା ଆମକୁ ଆଉ କିଛି କରିବା ପାଇଁ ପଡ଼ିଲାନି. So then after normally whatever like you have to do the good receipt and invoice receipt, that will be the normal process. बुझा पड़ा.
Yes, sir.
Sir,
So next class रे हमें MRP process टा करेगा.